Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. In this video, I want to talk about the DJI Mini 3 Pro that I brought with me during my Vancouver trip that I went several weeks ago. It was a wonderful trip, and I'll talk about that next week, about the experience. However, today I just want to talk about the DJI Mini 3 that I brought with me. Now, I was able to pack it inside my computer suitcase. This drone, this 2 extra batteries with its charger, as well as the remote control. Okay, so let's talk about it right now. All right, so I brought this DJI Mini 3 Pro with me during my Vancouver trip. I only had a small computer bag, so I was able to put this drone and the 2 set of battery with its charger, as well as my remote control from DJI for this drone. I was able to put in the computer bag, and of course 2 sets of clothes as well. So I was carrying very light. That's the key here. I wasn't able to carry too much because it will cost extra $100 to put on a carry-on that's bigger than the specified size according to Lynx Air, the flight that I took. It was a special flight, which is really cheap. I'll talk about that next week, where I was able to get a deal for $250 round trip from Toronto to Vancouver and back. That will be for next week, okay? However, today I just want to talk about the drone itself. The reason I brought this drone, of course, it doesn't require any license. I do have my basic pilot license, and I have other drones, but I prefer having this one because I know that I'll have less trouble flying this drone compared to the other one. Now, the other ones that I would have to bring some paper to show that I have a basic drone license, as well as a bit more heavier, more bulkier, so I don't want to carry those bigger drone. So this is fine. Now, I did experience some wind turbulence during the drone flight, and that's near the mountain and it's near the ocean. So this drone was able to handle it. I'll let you see the video itself and you can tell me what you think about the quality of the image and the video, okay? However, this drone can do an amazing job. I was flying it almost about 500-600 meters away from me and back. I didn't want to fly too far because, again, it was a very strong wind. I didn't want to lose this drone. It's very expensive. I also carry with me the 2 battery. I only actually use 2 batteries for this drone. There's actually 3 set of batteries that I got and I brought with me. Another thing is that when you're carrying a drone on a flight, make sure you take out the batteries, okay? So make sure you take out the battery inside here and put it in your charger. So you have 3 batteries in here, okay? For some reason, according to the airline, they don't want you to have a battery inside your drone. So make sure you take that out and put in your 3 battery in this charger. This remote control is actually quite nice for this drone. It's a bit bulky. However, the battery inside it was able to handle for a long period of time. I had 3 batteries and this remote, and after using even the 3 sets of battery, this battery inside this remote control still have some juice left. So yes, it's big, but it does have a lot of power in here. Now, the drone itself is very good. I set it to actually, I believe, I'm not sure it was 4K or 2.7K videos. Okay, the reason for that is, you know, I'm going to be filming it and posting up on YouTube. So for me, it doesn't really matter if it's 4K or 2.7K. So the image come out of it, you can judge for yourself what it looks like. I'm not going to talk too much about the image that comes out of this drone, but I would say it's quite amazing. The sensor is quite large compared to my Mavic Air one that I had. Now the image on this drone I think is better than the Mavic Air version 1 that I had from the previous videos. However, I like that drone as well. It's just that this is lighter and has a bigger sensor. The battery does last a little bit longer. It does have the 422 10-bit quality image or video, and it also allows me to carry with me without the pilot license in Canada. So there's a lot of benefit using this drone. Not that I don't like my Mavic Air. That one I do like to just fly around when I'm at home in Toronto. But for this one, if I'm traveling, this is the drone that I will be using. It's less hassle to bring with me, and usually not a problem when I'm putting it in my suitcase or in my computer bag. Even the security just looked at it and say, oh, it's just a small drone, maybe even a toy drone, right? But yes, so I'm not going to talk too much. I want you to see the video quality itself. I was able to fly in certain area in Vancouver. I had to watch the map to make sure that certain area is restricted, so I couldn't fly there, and but there's certain area that I was able to. So the image that you see is the area that I was able to fly based on the Canadian map where it's safe to fly. So have a look at the image. I hope you like it. If you like this video, subscribe and give me a little heart of appreciation. Bye.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade